welcome back. This is Mr. Hassan's Maths channel. I'm now answering question number 16 from the October-November 2018 International GCSE Cambridge Paper 2 Variant 2. This question here is about this expression. It says x squared minus 12x plus a is equal to x plus b squared. Find the value of a and find the value of b. Now, there are different ways that we can approach this question. One of those ways is by thinking of this in terms of completing the square. Okay, because this is a square bracket. So I could think of this as x squared minus 12x plus a equals x plus b squared, and you got 0 on the outside. So you can think of it like that. So if we think about this in terms of completing the square, if we complete the square for this expression, you have x squared minus 12x plus a. If I complete the square for this, I take, there's one here already, that's fine. So I'm going to write a square, a bracket squared, and I'm going to put whatever sign's in here, the same sign, and then I'm going to take a half of this coefficient and write that there. That's how you start completing the square. Now, if I was to expand this, this is going to give me x squared minus 12x plus 36. Well, I don't want the plus 36. So I've got to take away 36. That now is the same exactly as this. These are exactly the same right now. If I expand this, I will get x squared minus 12x. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to get. So we've got the plus a at the end, so I'm going to write plus a. Okay, so you have x squared minus 6. So minus 6 all squared minus 36 plus a. That will give you the same thing as what we have written up there. These two are now the same. And that's equal to x plus b squared plus 0. So if we compare these now, I'll write x plus b squared plus 0. So we can see the plus b is equal to minus 6. So b is equal to minus 6. And we can say that minus 36 plus a is the same as this 0. Because outside here there's 0. So whatever's outside here must be equal to 0. So we can say that minus 36 plus a is equal to 0. So a is equal to negative 36. Oh, so in fact, positive 36, sorry. Because you've got to add 36 to both sides. So you'll then end up with a equals 36 and b equals negative 6. So there's the answer for 16. Now there's also an alternative way that we could do the same question, which I'm going to show you now. Okay. Alternatively, what we could do is this. We could start from this side. We could start with x plus b squared, and we could square this bracket. Now, if you square this bracket, it's like x plus b times x plus b, which is, if you do it using the pattern method, then you're going to square the first term, then you're going to do these two multiplied and double, so it's plus 2bx, and then you square the last term plus b squared. Or you can think of it, if you want, as x plus b times x plus b. I'll just write that up here quickly. X plus b times x plus b, which gives you x squared plus bx plus another bx, which is 2bx plus b squared. That's another way of doing it. Okay, apart from using the pattern. It's like the general way of solving it. Okay, so that's equal to this. And then we can compare that to what it's equal to. You've got x squared minus 12x plus a. So from this, we can compare the coefficients of x, and we can say that the 2b is the same as minus 12. Okay, so we can say that 2b equals negative 12. So b is equal to negative 6, which we found earlier. And we can compare the coefficients of the other term, these two terms. Well, we can compare the constants basically. And we know here from this that a is equal to b squared. A is equal to b squared. So a is equal to, we know b is minus 6 all squared, which is 36, which is what we found earlier. And if you want to just make sure that you've done the right thing, you can check to see if what we've written here is correct. So you've got x squared minus 12x plus 36. And we've said that that's equal to x minus 6 all squared. And we can see that that's true. If you square this, you're going to have x squared. You're going to have 2 times minus 6 times 12, or minus 12x. And then you square minus 6, you get plus 36. You can see that that's true. Right? So the values of a and b that we found, we can check to see if they actually make this is true here, this expression identity that we got there. And there's the answer to question number 16 from this paper. Other questions which are from this particular paper, when I get to answer them, will be collected together in the playlist that should appear in this area over here. Other questions from this topic of, I guess this will be under, I guess I'll put it under completing the square, and also algebraic manipulation. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you wish to do so by clicking on this link. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.